Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. First, we're going to start with the more boring things and the stuff that is mainly repurchases, and then we'll move into some new purchases. So let's get started. This is a pretty big Dollar Tree haul. I love the big ones, don't you guys? Repurchase stuff, Assured hand sanitizer. I always get this. They have downsized to only 8 ounces, but I did manage to find one 10-ounce left. And the big bottles that are like 12 or 15 refill size are now 10s. So they downsized that. Also not showing, I did get 2 packages of toilet paper. I already put that in the bathroom. Palmolive Soft Touch, the almond and blueberry. Love this stuff. Sunbeam batteries, AAA, AA. Always get those. Favorite razors from there, they're the Assured brand 5 razor blade, and you only get 3 in here, but they're really good. I haven't had any nicks or cuts or issues with these. I love those, and I also like the 6 blades that they have, but yesterday this was all they had, or I'd have grabbed a pack of those too. The Bolero bath bombs, these are the coconut oil and sea salt. Connor loves bath bombs. He's 5. He's had no skin irritations, breakouts, rashes, nothing come of these, so I continue to repurchase them for him. This is just hangers. You get 7 in here. I like these because I wear a lot of tank tops and stuff, so they have like the little hook on them to hold the shirt in place, and they're from the Essentials brand. They did not have my handle bags, so I did grab the Good Scent flap ties. Get 14 bags in here though, and I hear great things about these. I think I've tried them in the past, I'm not entirely sure, but I thought I would grab those. I needed foil, the 40 square feet. This is not the greatest foil, but just for simple lining pans, perfect. I picked up a pack of these foam trays. I like these for like arts and crafts or eating snacks on, and I like to keep the trays around. I do like those a lot. LA's Totally Awesome laundry detergent. I always get the 2 in the 1. Sometimes I get the laundry pods as well, but I like this laundry detergent. I decided to try a new scent booster, and I don't know if I'll like this one as good as the other one. The other one is in a noticeably smaller container now as well. I have a back of it though, and then this one is lavender scent. Very beautiful purple packaging. I love that. So we're going to try that out. I did pick up a new fabric softener. I don't know if this is new, but maybe new to my Dollar Tree. It's so strong. I can smell it standing over it. It's not been opened or anything. But it's kind of, if you're headache prone, this might be a bit much for you. But it's Jasmine Lotus from Breezy. You get 55 sheets in there. And I really didn't need fabric sheets, but I thought that smelled so amazing that I just go ahead and grab it. Another new item I grabbed is the Final Touch Oxy Stain Remover. And it has a light, fresh scent, 32 fluid ounces for $1. Get the spray bottle. It's pretty big. I think I'm going to share this with my nanny as well. And it says it's safe on colors. Some food items. We picked up some of the oven baked fudge stripe shortbread cookies, and I already took them out of their packaging. I put them in a Ziploc bag. There they are. Pretty good, and you get 13 ounces of cookies for $1. Really can't beat that. These TGI Fridays potato skin, cheddar and bacon potato chips. I like those sometimes. They were at the register. I just grabbed them. And then I thought this would be fun for Connor, but they had the Kinder Joy eggs, and this is Star Wars edition. So for $1, you really can't beat that. I thought he would really enjoy that. Okay, moving on, I want to get the stuff that I got for Connor out of the way as well. So, I don't know if you've seen a Facebook post, and it's been going around for a really long time, but glow sticks in the bathtub? Yeah, we've been doing that for a long time. He wanted to pick out more, so he wanted the blue necklaces. You get 4 in here. He also picked out the purple sticks. Once again, 4 of those. You really cannot beat that deal. And I picked these up before they sold out because this was his favorite float from last year. And of course, it's, you know, it's been popped. Him and Aiden gave it a rough way to go, and he named it Chompy. So I picked up another one when I seen that. And then I saw this one as well. It has a funny kind of face on there. And I know that him and Aiden are going to love these. They're going to be spending a lot of time together in the summertime. And this was my favorite find. This is so 90s to me. I remember having one of these. Well, me and my sisters, all of us had one of these. And ours had like purple and pink lids. And it's a sip-a mug. And I'm going to wash this up for him. But he saw this and he was like, I want one of those. This is so nostalgic. It's unreal. Yes, so excited. He wanted the orange one. They had orange and blue yesterday. So we picked up that one. I wanted to add them onto glow sticks. No, we do not break them open and put them in the tub. You just crack them, let them glow, turn the lights out. You know, it's like a rave, dance party in the bathroom. I don't know. He loves it. Down the beauty aisle with like the hairbrushes and things like that. This is a repurchase item and I forgot to put it at the beginning. But I needed some more of these microfiber facial pads, and I love these. They have the microfiber side and they have like a scrubber side. They're not too abrasive. They're actually pretty gentle, and they come in a lot of fun colors. I've never had the minty color, so I grabbed that one. The last color I had was yellow. So fun, right? And then I did pick up one of these little pump bottles, and these are 2.5 ounces now. They used to be 5.4 ounces, and here's a comparison. This is the old style, this is the new. I picked this up for my makeup remover. This is, I keep this nail polish acetone in there, but the comparison on those, you guys, but still, I definitely wanted one because I thought it was cute. And in that same aisle, I picked up some hair bows for Allie. Now, she just turned 1. I babysit her 3, sometimes 4 times a week, depending on my sister's work hours. And I always, well, me and my nanny always keep like outfits and bows and things like that here. Or we just pick up cute things for my sister. So, these are for little Allie. And she doesn't have much hair, but she will. And these are from a brand called Lily Jane, and these are definitely more than $1. But I picked these up, and I love that they have like a little clip on there. She has just enough hair that she'd probably use these now. But how cute, 5 of them for $1. And then from the same Lily Jane brand, I got those. So here are those. How adorable! And for $1, I had to pick those up for her. And then in the beauty aisle, with the pedicure stuff, I got one of these foot. It's got like a file on there, a grater, pumice stone, and a brush. For $1, you can't beat it. With summer coming, all need to be getting our feet ready. I know mine's a little dry from winter. Before we go any further into the beauty stuff, because I found some really awesome finds, I'm going to share with you guys some decor stuff I found. And it's just a few things, but I'm still excited about it. I picked up a new dish towel, or kitchen towel, whatever you want to call them, but here in the South, we call them dish rag, dish towel, you know. Anyways, it says Our Nest is Best, and I was hoping to find this one there. I think this one is so nice, and I love what it says. Okay, on the long lines of that, I did pick up this wooden stand here, and it says Our Nest is Best. It's got 2 little birds on there. I kind of wish that it wasn't green, that maybe it was more like a red or something to go more with my decor in the living room, but that's okay. I really think that's cute. I also got that same Our Nest is Best in a canvas print, so, and it's got greens in it, so maybe we can do something with that. I don't know. But I snatched that up. They only have like 2 left. I did find the magnetic dazzlers, the real wood magnets. They had a ton of these. The one that caught my eye, the one that spoke to me, is the fox, and he is so cute. So adorable. So I snatched him up. And then the last decor kind of item I found, and it even says decor on it, is this white cross, and it says grace. Yes, I love the Lord. This is some nice decor. Like, I instantly thought of my Lord. It said grace. So they had this in white that said grace, and they also had white and gray that had bows on them with a burlap bow, but I didn't really like those, and I didn't like the gray one, and I love that they had the grace and on a white cross. So I'm gonna fit that in the decor somewhere. They had so many new Mother's Day things out, and I'm so glad that I went yesterday, that I like rack up so much. So I'm gonna start with these perfumes here, and they're knockoff perfumes, and this one is EAD from that knockoff brand there, and it's called Pink Chill, and it's compared to Touch of Pink by Lacoste. I'm not sure if I said that right. Anyways, this smells amazing. I can still kind of smell it on my skin, and I sprayed it on my skin yesterday. Yeah, amazing for $1. And this right here, I bought 2 of these. One for me and one for my nanny, and I already gave it to her. She loved it as well. I thought that she would. So, nice bottles too. And then the other one I picked up, they had a bunch of new ones, but I got Pink Waves, and this is a Paris Hilton knockoff. And honestly, I didn't even smell this one. I just got it because I like Paris Hilton perfumes. So, I think I will like this one. Plus, I had Connor with me, so you know how that goes with kids. But I was really excited about this Pink Chill one. Very nice. So they had some new Bolero stuff, new to me anyways. I've seen everyone haul this scent. Now, I did not grab the body cream or polish and some other stuff that they had, but I did grab 5 of the items in this line. So of course, even though I did not need them, I grabbed 1 of the Bolero Coconut and Rose cleansing wipes. I love these wipes, and I have to pick them up like every time I see them, even though I do not need them. I also picked up the face wash in that scent line, the Coconut and Rose Oil. This is kind of a loud scent as well, very floral, and it's kind of liquidy, real liquidy, you can hear, watery. And I almost put this back, but I decided we'll give it a try anyways. I did pick up the body wash from this Coconut and Rose Oil, because it does smell really good. And I picked up for the kitchen sink, just for a more spring hand soap, because right now I'm still using through a peppermint, and believe me, I love peppermint. There's nothing wrong with peppermint, but just a more spring scent. I got the hand wash in the Coconut and Rose Oil. That's my first Bolero hand soap as well. I usually cannot find the hand soaps, and if I do find them, they're usually in a scent that I don't want. So, I actually really like that one. And then my favorite thing from Bolero that I found is a face serum. So, I'm thinking this is like a face oil or something. It says like moisturizing facial serum. So, I am excited for this item right here. Even though it does kind of have a loud scent, and I typically wouldn't want a loud scent for my face. But I am excited to try all these new Bolero products. More sinful colors. More sinful colors. Unfortunately, they still don't have the mascaras or the eyeliners at my store. I'm going to have to travel down to the other store, I believe. But I did find yesterday the Duo Cream eyeshadows. So this one has like a shimmery white blue duochrome and a kind of iridescent duochrome, or well, I should say opalescent pink down here. This one has a light shimmery shell pink and a teal here. And my camera's dying, so I'm going to have to move fast. And this one has a mauvey taupey kind of purple there. Or not mauvey, dusty taupey purple. And a green. And then we have a peach champagne kind of shade here, almost copper, like copper, and a dark indigo kind of blue, purple. So I was really excited to find those. I hope they work well. Now next up, I found new LA Colors nail polishes, and honestly, I kind of think a couple of these are renamed, and that's okay. The first one I want to draw attention to is Pink Bubbles, and this polish has been reformulated, recolored, because this is the original Pink Bubbles here. The one, it's more neon. The one without the sticker right here is the old one. And I love this shade for my toes, and I wore it for like a couple years, like always on my toes. I love this shade. It's more of a bubblegum pink over the neon pink, but it's so beautiful. 505. I'm going to insert some pictures because I couldn't wait to wear this, and it's on my nails here. Obviously you can tell which one it is, and I'm going to put pictures in of that. Next up is 192, and this one is It Girl, and this is kind of like an orchid shade. And here is the other one. This one is called Orchid, actually, and I love this shade. So when I seen this is very comparable to the shade, I grabbed it just to have a backup. So I wanted to share that with you guys. This nail polish looks like a nail polish I have, but it's really not. It kind of looks like Mint Julep. I do not have Mint Julep out to show you. It's in my bottom drawer. But this one is called Teal Appeal, and I'm wearing it on my ring finger. It's really pretty. I stamped over top of it. I shouldn't have done that before I filmed this video. Anyways, very beautiful teal color, and if it is compared to Mint Julep, that's okay, because I really actually love that nail polish as well. Wore it several times in several videos and stampings. Love it. Now, I also want to draw attention to, I did see that they redone Seafoam. It's a creamy teal, like teal minty kind of shade, kind of light, almost pastel, and they redone it, and it's a much darker teal shade now. Next up from LA Colors are new finds, and they had the metallic liquid eyeliners at the DollarTree. So I picked up all the ones that they had. I couldn't help myself. I did get the metallic gold. So beautiful. I got the metallic lavender, which I am so excited for. I love purples. Probably use this one first, to be honest. This one I tore the name off of, so I think it's like just metallic blue. This one is way in the back, and I just like ripped it down. Yeah, shameful, but I got it anyways. And then I got metallic rose gold, and I showed this one last because I'm really excited for this one as well. And I can tell it has a fine tip brush, it says, so that's exciting versus the felt tip on there. It actually has a brush. What's not to love about Dollar metallic eyeliners? I hope they work really nicely. They also had like some matte eyeliners and stuff, but I already have LA Colors matte eyeliners, and I was excited for these metallic ones. I'm so excited to try these cream shades out. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. This one was rather large, I think, and I found a lot of great finds, and I hope you enjoyed that as well. Stay tuned for more DollarTree videos, whether it be hauls or makeup tutorials, things like that. Lots of DollarTree content. Don't forget to check the description box for additional DollarTree links. There's a ton of them, you guys. Keep you busy all spring. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. And thank you guys always for watching.